So here we have a Boeing 747-830 Queen of the Skies lining up on the runway on the center at Frankfurt Airport. Lining up to depart to LAX, Los Angeles. Age record is 10 years old. Average flight time to LAX, Los Angeles International Airport is around 11 hours and 5 minutes. Also, we have a A340 also lining up on the runway. This one is headed to Atlanta, Georgia, the most busiest airport in the world, most busiest commercial airport. Age record is 23 years old. Average flight time to Atlanta is around 10 hours and 1 minute. Look at this beauty right there, not yet lining up, but holding short to. It's number 2 for departure. For the ground, what's on ground? We have a China Airlines Boeing 777 over here. Taxiing for departure, headed to Taipei, Taiwan, I believe. Yep, Taipei, Taiwan. Boeing 777-300 or 36NER. This one is 9 years old. Average flight time to Taipei is around 11 hours and 24 minutes. And this one, an A321, I believe, from Lufthansa, just taxiing. Oh, look at this, the beautiful KLM City Hopper. Recently arrived from Schiphol, Amsterdam. Embraer E175 STD, operated by KLM City Hopper. Possibly we might have a flight soon to Amsterdam with it. I love its cockpits, the Embraer cockpits, I love it. This one is 6 years old. 51 minutes for the average flight time. Taxiing to its gates. Look at this, I love the livery of the KLM. The full blue, absolutely obsessed. Oh, look at that, the plate is at its gates. The beautiful full red, I like to call it. And the Queen of the Skies is taking off to LAX, Los Angeles International Airport. We'll get back to that aircraft in one moment when we will see it, because the building is blocking it. But while then, let's look at this A340. I like to call it the brother or sister of Airbus A380, because it's so big. Or like the older brother. And they're taking off to Los Angeles International Airport. Sorry, a little bit blurry. Taking off to the clouds. Off to the clouds. What a beautiful departure. The A340-300 has fully lined up on the runway. So look at this Airbus A320-200 taxiing possibly from the Lufthansa Technik, possibly, or from Terminal 3. Oh, do we have any arrival traffic? No, not at all. That is very weird why it's holding short currently. Why though? There's no arriving traffic. Okay, back. Follow me truck and the tug. What do we have over here? Ah, British Airways. Wow, an Airbus with winglets. I rarely see that. Absolutely obsessed. So, an A321-251 NX to London Heathrow, taxiing for departure. My friend actually flown this one, the same one, to London Heathrow when he was on vacation recently. But look at this amazing bouncy taxi, let's say. Let's have a look at the wheels. Close up on the wheels. Where is it? And here it is. So here we have Air Europe 747-8AS headed to Madrid. 14 years old. I've taught them to Madrid is around 2 hours and 7 minutes. Oh, it's already lined up and it's already taken off? Wow. We'll get back to it in a sec. Let's head to this. Let's transition from the 737 to this beautiful 787 Dreamliner right here. 787-9 Dreamliner headed to Vancouver. What a beautiful aircraft. 4 years old, average flight time to Vancouver is around 9 hours and 41 minutes. Let's have a little close-up on the wheels, let's say. The engine. A little bit deft stare on the 787-9 Dreamliner. Should be a good thumbnail, let's say. It would be. Here it is lighting up on the runway. What's on the runway? Building. Why is it not taking off? Rejected takeoff? I wonder what happened. Beautiful Dreamliner, I have the poles, the light pole at Frankfurt. What are your guys' opinions on the not really beautiful A330 from Discover, the new livery? Me being honest, I hate it. I like the old one better. Like the ones with that tail, with that kind of tail. Or like this is much better. Or like this is much better. So here for arrival we have an Iberia Regional operated by Air Nostrum. From Madrid, Mitsubishi CRJ 1000. From Madrid, 2 hours and 2 minutes arriving. Departed 2 hours and 2 minutes ago. Oh no. Wow. And the 787-9 or -8 Dreamliner is taking off. Wow. Amazing thumbnail, let's say. Here we have an A321. Currently holding short. Gosh. Soon for we ramble, we have a TUI blue livery from Palma de Mallorca, arriving soon into Frankfurt. Actually flown on the same one route to Tenerife, Canary Islands. Not really much of ground operations. We have American Airlines Dreamliner in the back, but it's kind of blocked by the poles and by an A321. And the A321 is taxiing back to the terminal, possibly to the terminal. Here it is, the Boeing 737-86J, arriving from Palma de Mallorca, departed 1 hour and 53 minutes ago. The TUI blue livery. I'm absolutely obsessed with this livery. I love it. Let's look at this arrival and let's rate this landing from 1 out of 10. Uh-oh. Was pretty decent, but also a bit hard, so 7 out of 10, let's say. Rate this landing in the comments. So the Queen of the Sky is lighting up on the runway. Let's have a little close-up look on the engines. Look at those engines, wow. Maybe this is a good thumbnail, who knows? If I'm not mistaken, a helicopter is nearby. Small baby Ross A319 arriving into Frankfurt. That's rate this landing 1 out of 10. Oh, a helicopter. Helicopter right above. Where is it? Had a break off from that landing. But let's have a more close-up look on this helicopter. Anyone know what company it is? Because I do not know. But it does have like a light. Like it's Polizei, but it's not. Or I don't think it is. Oh, where is it? Blue 737 livery, yeah. Taxiing back to his gates from where he arrived from Palma de Mallorca. I want to go over. It's warm. Not as cold as in Frankfurt. But I've been informed that we have, from flight radar, that we have a Queen of the Skies Saudi cargo arriving into Frankfurt very, very soon. It's number 2 for arrival. For we arrive, we have a Saudi cargo operated by Air Atlanta Europe from Malaga, Boeing 747-45 EDDF, departed 41 minutes ago, 29 years old. Should have been 35 minutes ago. Should have departed. Ouch. Slammed it. Average cargo landings be like. Ouch. That was definitely a 3 out of 10 landing. Could have been better. So for every arrival, we have a pair of Air France separated by Air France Hop, arriving from Paris de Gaulle. Departed 55 minutes ago in Embraer E190 STD. The director is 14 years old, a bit of a delay. 1 hour delay. But winds. A 55-minute flight, it's okay, but on a long flight, I would not like that kind of landing. For the arrival, we have a 2-week photo book delivery, arriving from FRA. 2 hours and 41 minutes ago departed, and arriving now into Frankfurt. Boeing 737-86J, and the age record is 10 years old. Decent enough landing.